Okay, so the Pixel 3 is the first in the Pixel line to introduce us to wireless charging, but there are only 2 wireless certified fast chargers that work with the device, one of those being the superb Pixel stand. In this video though, we're taking a look at 5 of the best premium options that will work with any device including the Pixel 3. Just bear in mind that they will only offer 5W charging for the Pixel, even if all support the 10W charging feature. Let's start with an option that is very borderline premium, but a wireless charger that I have used for quite some time now. The Anker PowerPort wireless charger does support 10W wireless charging, but it does so in a small puck form factor that is ideal for anyone wanting a compact charging option. It's the build and quality that it offers that I think make it more than a premium option. The USB-C cable support also means one cable can rule them all. The rubberized top plinth is great for grip, and you'll have no worries sticking your Pixel or any other device on top without a case. There's also a neat little blue LED that informs you when your device is charging too, but if that is too much of a distraction, you can simply turn it off underneath. For anyone with multiple devices or wanting an option to charge 2 things at once, the Spigen Essential F3 10W wireless charger is definitely one of the best out there. Like all chargers I'll be showing you, it does support dual fast charging, but naturally not on the Pixel, but it's still extra convenient. I've been using it almost exclusively for my Pixel 3 and my Galaxy Buds. It allows me to charge both without worrying that one battery might be lower or die on me when I head out, for instance. The build is solid too, with a nice slim profile and metal build. The non-slip surface also gives peace of mind when you slap your phone on without a case. At the moment though, it's not currently available officially in the US, but hopefully it will head stateside in the near future. Native Union makes what you would consider luxury tech accessories, high quality, good looking extras that feel like a statement, but are also exceptional when in practice. The dock wireless charger is absolutely no different. This is the TERRAZO Colour Edition, and it's a stand charger that I've happily had on my desk since I got hold of one. Be warned though, they are not cheap at over $150, but they do look simply superb with a marble finish. One major bonus is the ability to place your phone in both portrait and landscape, and I think is a fantastic touch. Each model is handcrafted, so the marble finish will differ from model to model. It also means that each is completely unique, and that's probably reasons why the cost is so high. I have to say I do love the overall aesthetic of the Moshi Otto Q. The perfectly round shape and textured grey finish do remind me somewhat of the Google Home Mini, and it's one of the reasons that this fits with my own home furnishing style. That soft fabric finish and rubberized top ring and Moshi logo help your Pixel sit comfortably without slippage or fear of slippage. It also has a tiny blinking LED indicator to let you know when your phone is charging without distracting you. I also have to say that I do love this charger for its portability. Even though it's slim and light, the rubber base and solid feel gives you confidence about chucking it into a bag without worrying whether it will withstand a beating or not. Now for the ultimate in decadence is the Native Union Block wireless charger. This is a pure slab of aluminium or aluminum for our US audience and has been made in collaboration with British interior designer Tom Dixon. That slab of metal includes an accessories tray and clear wireless charger that can actually be removed and detached and used separately. I must admit I do adore the clear wireless charge plate. It looks amazing in the flesh, and I wish more manufacturers would adopt clear casings for our tech. That said, the Native Union Block is most definitely a home accessory or piece of interior design that happens to charge your device. It could be considered overpriced, but the craftsmanship is so much more obvious when you get up close. Stick your keys and accessories in the tray and then slap your phone on the charge pad. Although I would say that the glass top is a little bit slippy on a caseless phone. At an eye-watering $170, I have to say this isn't just an everyday charger. Of course, if you just want a fast charger that works, then you can always stick with the Pixel stand. I have to say it does work superbly and includes all of those extra assistant features that make it such a popular choice for Pixel 3 users. Of course, we understand that spending a fortune on a charger might be considered a little bit silly when you can't fast charge, but some of you out there might want something a little bit special. We'd also love to hear what you think is the most decadent option, or alternatively, tell us why you think spending a ton of money on a charger is a stupid decision in the comments section down there. Before you leave, be sure to subscribe to be among the very first to see all of our uploads. But until next time, this is Damien for 95 Google, saying thanks again for watching, and I will speak to you later.